Hi guys, my name is Mohammed Shoaib and I am the founder and CEO of Money Spot Trading Partners. We are an educational platform for everybody who wants to learn about stock markets. So in this video, we'll be learning about different features in the Zerodha platform and we'll also be learning how to buy and sell shares. If you have not opened your Demat account till now, I have shared the link in my description. Click on the link and follow the instructions to open your Demat account in Zerodha. So once you have opened your Demat account, you have to install the Zerodha Kite app. We'll see how the interface is going to look like. I have already installed the Zerodha Kite app and I will be showing you the interface. So this is how your Zerodha interface is going to look like. You have different options. Let us explore this now. So on your lower bar, you can see different options. Let's go through it one by one. The first option is the Watchlist option. So in the Watchlist, you get 5 different watchlists by Zerodha. So in each watchlist, you get up to 50 different options to add your scripts. So and also one more option what you get in a watchlist is you can rename your watchlist. So I will show you how to rename it. So you can see watchlist 4 and I want to rename it as maybe daily trades. So I just renamed it as daily trades. And the second option you can see here is the different kind of orders what are there. So you get different options again here. You have this pending orders list. For example, you have placed any order and this order is still not executed. It will show you in the pending tab. And you have this executed orders tab here. And then you get to the GTT. GTT is nothing but good till triggered. I'll explain you later on in this video how you can place GTT orders and what is the importance of it. And we have baskets and SIPs, but in today's video I'll not be covering basket and SIPs because the video will be very long. And now we can look at the third option, that is the portfolio. In portfolio it will show your holdings and your positions. Holdings are nothing but your cash and carry shares which you hold it for more than one day. In the positions tab you will get what you are holding for intraday. And the next one is like you have different support system apps what Zerodha has created and you can click on it and explore on your own. And the final one is nothing but your profile, and this tab is usually used to add your funds. I have now seen the different features what Zerodha is providing us. Okay, let us see how to purchase the share. So now you go to your profile tab. In the profile tab, you look at your funds options, and in the fund options, there are 2 options again. One is the equity and one is commodity. If you want to trade or invest in equity, add funds in equity. If you want to trade or invest in commodities, add funds in the commodity column. So here in the equity column, I have added some small amount to show you how the trade is done. So once you have added the funds, the second step is you come to the watch list. So I am here again in my watch list tab. In the watch list, I am going to my daily trades. You can select any tabs and then I will search a script. For example, I want to buy Coal India. Let me search Coal India here. So again, you are getting different options. The first 2 options what you get is from the NSE and the BSE, the National Stock Exchange and the Bombay Stock Exchange. So apart from the first 2 options, whatever you can see here, they are the futures and options. So I am adding the NSE here, NSE Coal India. So the reason I trade in the National Stock Exchange because the volume of traded is really high. There are better chances of your trade getting executed. So now if you see, I have the script Coal India added in my watch list. So what I will do, I click on the Coal India script and then you can see different options what are there. The first option is the buy and sell option what it is giving. If you come below, you can also view the charts that you can explore on your own. I will not be covering in that video. And the third thing you can see is the market depth. In the market depth, it shows the blue side is the buyer side and the red side is the seller side. So here you will get to know the market liquidity, how many shares are purchased and sold in immediate real time. You can see below, it will show you the open, high, low and previous close of Coal India. Below that you can see your volume traded, average trade price, last traded quantity. These kind of details can be seen here. And the last you will get different kind of apps. Again, these are the support system from Zerodha. You can open and explore these once you have the app. Okay, so now we have seen this. Let us see how we have to buy this share. So I am clicking the buy option over here and then again there is another interface what we are seeing. Let us explore the different options here, different features of Zerodha. So the first is like I selected NSE, it's showing my NSE here and the quantity and the price. So quantity is how many quantity you want to purchase and price is at what price you have to purchase that. If you come below, you have product. You have 2 products here, CNC and MIS. CNC is nothing but cash and carry. Cash and carry means that you are purchasing the share for holding more than one day. It can even be for a short term or a long term. For 3 months, 1 year, 10 year, it can be any duration. MIS is nothing but you are holding the share for intraday. What is the full form of MIS? Margin intraday square off. So you buy the shares in the morning and you sell it before the market closes. And below that you get order options. In order you have again 4 different options. One is the market option, one is the limit option, stop loss and stop loss market. The market order is nothing but a simple regular order. You purchase the share here at the market price. For example, if I put market here, I will not be able to edit the price. If I am clicking on the edit price of it, it will come to limit. So I will purchase it at a market price, and it's a simple order. If I want to, so I am thinking the Coal India share is 162 rupees, but I think I want to purchase it at 150 rupees. So I can put a limit order here, edit the price as 150, and then I can swipe to buy. That is the option here. So the third kind of order is the stop loss order. So stop loss order is a kind of order you place to curtail your losses. For example, you purchase the share at 150 rupees and then you don't want to bear a loss of more than 10 rupees on it. So I'll place stop loss of 140 and my trigger price will be somewhere around 145. So once this price is reaching 145, your order will be activated, but it will be executed at your given price, that is 140. So the fourth kind of order is the stop loss market order. In the stop loss market order, what you get to do is you only get to edit the trigger price of 145 here, but you don't get to put the original price because it will be executed at the best market price once the order gets triggered at 145. Coming below, we can see different kind of varieties. There are three varieties given here: regular, cover order, and aftermarket order. So a regular order is nothing but a normal order which you place, which is taken either at market or limit order. The second kind of order is the cover order. In a cover order, either again you can place it at a market order or a limit order. So in the cover order, you compulsorily have to place the stop loss order along with your buy order. So here, for example, I want to buy this at 150 rupees. I will also put my stop loss trigger at 145 here. Why the stop loss is important in a cover order? Because the margin or the leverage what you get is higher than a regular order. So the stockbroker wants you to place a stop loss order, and this stop loss order can be modified, can be changed, but cannot be removed. So the third kind of order is the aftermarket order. These are the kind of orders which are placed after the market timings, and these are for people who don't have time to buy or trade during the market timings. The next option is the variety. In variety, you get day or IOC. IOC is nothing but immediate or cancel. Day is validity for the day. For example, I purchase this price, I want to purchase this price is 150. I put the validity as day. The order will be pending for the whole day. If the price hits 150, then my order will be executed. But in IOC, it's immediate or cancel. For example, I place an order at 150, and again, if I don't have a seller at 150, my order will be cancelled. If I get a seller immediately at 150, my order will be executed. To see the last part, it shows a disclosed quantity. Disclosed quantity, for example, these are for the people who buy bigger chunks of share. I want to buy 50,000 shares of Coal India. So what I will do is I'll place my disclosed quantity as 10,000. So the market sees this order as 10,000, and if you have a seller for 10,000 shares, your order will be executed, and simultaneously all your 5 orders of 10,000 will be executed. So now that we have seen the different options here, let us purchase the share and see how this works. So here, if you are able to see the screen, I want to purchase 5 shares of Coal India, and I want to do it as MIS, as an intraday square off. I will purchase it at the market price, and validity. So the variety will be a regular order, validity for the whole day, and then disclosed quantity I don't want to put because the quantity I am purchasing is very small. So I swipe here to buy. So my order is completed. So once your order is completed, you can go to your orders column and see. So here you can see in the executed column, you have purchased the share at market price, that is 162.35. So there are no pending orders. So let us go to the portfolio. So in the portfolio option, you can see the profit and loss what you have from this intraday. So now let us go immediately sell this. I want to, so here again 2 options. If you want to add, so you want to buy some more shares here at this price, you can choose the add option. But I want to exit. So I will put as again 5 shares, MIS, market order, regular, day. So I will swipe to sell. So here my order is executed again. If you come to the positions, it will show your portfolio. So here you can see your total PNL from the trade. So my loss is around 0.25 here. Now let us understand what is GTT and how a GTT order can be placed. So I am clicking on Coal India here again. So if you see something, there is something as called as GTT below the sell tab option. So I'll click on create GTT. So now what is the importance of GTT here? So the current market price of this share is 162.60 and I want to buy this share at 120. So we know that the share price of these kind of shares will not go immediately, or it will take some time. Sometimes it might even go in a day, but there is so much uncertainty for this. So what I will do is I'll place a GTT order, and this kind of order is valid for 1 year. So your order will be valid for 1 year. So I am typing, let us see an example how I am doing this. I'll type the buy here. I want to buy this share of Coal India. Trigger type is single. I cannot select OCO. Trigger price for me will be, I want to buy at 120. So the trigger will be at 130. it's a limit order because my purchasing price is 120. The product will be CNC because you are holding it, and I want to place as the whatever quantity you want to buy. Once the price of 130 is triggered, the order will be activated and will be sent to the stock exchange, but it will be executed once the price reaches at 120. Coming to the sell, for example, you are already holding some shares of Coal India in your portfolio and you want to sell it. So, but you are waiting for your target price. You are going to set your target price here, and you want to set your target price as maybe 200. So we don't know when this 200 price is going to touch, and we cannot come every day and check this. So what we'll do is I'll place a price of 120. My trigger will be 190 here. When the price reaches 190, this will be activated and will be sent to the stock exchange, but it will be executed once it touches your target price of 200 rupees. So coming to another kind of sell order we have is OCO is nothing but one cancels the other. So in this you can place two kinds of order. One is a stop loss order and one is a target order. And let us look at the stop loss. For example, you purchase the Coal India share of 120 and it is in your portfolio. So you don't want to bear a loss of more than 20 rupees on this share. So what you will do is I'll minus that and I'll put my price as 100. So once the share touches 100, the order will be executed. So for this, my target price will be somewhere around maybe 110 and your stop loss price will be 100. So this is one kind of an order. Another order what you'll place is if the share goes up, your target is 200. So I'll put my target price here as 200 and my trigger price here as 190. So you have placed these two orders. So if the share goes down and touches your trigger order and stop loss, your stop loss order will be executed. But in the other scenario, if the share goes up, your target order will be executed and it will cancel the other. So I hope you have got the clarity now regarding the different features available in the Zerodha platform and the different orders what you can place. If you have any doubts or queries regarding the orders, you can put your questions in the comment box and we'll clarify the same. If you have learned something from this video, do like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon to get the notifications of our new videos. This is your friend Mohammed Shoaib. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.